The H1N1 influenza virus pandemic crisis in 2009 revealed a shortage of vaccine in Thailand with which to protect the Thai people. This was due to the fact that there was no capacity within the country for influenza vaccine production and resulted in the vaccines having to be imported from abroad. In response to this, a vaccine manufacturing plant was established by the Government Pharmaceutical Organisation, or GPO, to create vaccine sustainability and self-reliance for Thailand. GPO is a state enterprise and is the main organisation in Thailand undertaking the research, production, procurement, reserve and distribution of medicines, vaccines and medical supplies for the support of the country's public health system. GPO's vaccine manufacturing plant, located in Gangkhoi district of Saraburi province, covers an area of 55 acres. The plant operates in compliance with the World Health Organization standards of good manufacturing practice. It has been designed as a green factory to ensure the efficient use of energy consumption and environmental waste reduction in order to represent a sustainable vaccine manufacturing plant prototype for Thailand. The factory has 5 buildings, comprising a quality assurance and administrative building, an egg incubation building, a vaccine production building, a vaccine filling building, and a utility building. The influenza vaccine manufacturing plant utilises embryonated chicken eggs for upstream production. The egg incubators used are designed to control temperature and humidity via a programmable logic control system which mimics natural egg incubation. The manufacturing plant has an initial production capacity of 2 million doses of seasonal influenza trivalent inactivated vaccine per annum, which it is capable of upscaling to 10 million doses. In addition, the plant's filling building has the potential to fill other vaccines such as pneumococcal vaccine, diphtheria, tetanus and pertussis vaccine, hepatitis B vaccine and COVID-19 vaccine. The factory is capable of the rapid production of COVID-19 vaccine. Moreover, the plant allows GPO to act as a learning and resource centre for public health personnel concerning the production of vaccines, biological products and related fields. GPO also supports and encourages community volunteer activities to enhance good relationships with adjacent communities. All of the aforementioned demonstrates GPO's determination to be a mainstay in the field of medicines and medical supplies in Thailand. This is in order to create national security and self-reliance in terms of vaccines, and thereby promote health within the Thai population and enhance sustainability.